Ancient Egyptians believed in rituals to reach the afterlife into the next world and achieve immortality. Death was seen as a temporary state and a dead person's spirit needed a body. So to preserve it, the process of mummification is used. This process varies depending on the person's status and wealth. The highest ranked in society got the best method of preservation after they die. Here are the process of mummification. The body is washed in water and salt. Then, the brain is removed using a hook through the nostrils. The organs are removed except for the heart, where they believed it to guide the person in the afterlife. All organs are placed in a separate canopy jars. Then, the body is filled with myrrh, cassia, and other spices. The body is then soaked in a special salt called natron for up to 70 days to prevent the flesh from rotting. Because the body is dehydrated, it is filled with sawdust and linen to bring its original shape, and oil is applied to the skin to soften it. Then, resin is used to cover the body from mold, then wrapped with linen bandages. Lastly, the body is placed in a wooden case or a stone sarcophagus. Items will be placed inside the case to bring it to the afterlife.